The cascading waters, a relentless torrential dance, enfolded the Indonesian islands in a chaotic embrace, submerging the lush jungles and villages, erasing the boundaries of earth and river, leaving behind an ephemeral canvas of tragedy and resilience upon which the soul of the nation quivered with both sorrow and hope. The cascading floodwaters of Brazil, turbulent and relentless, wove through the intricate tapestry of the land, erasing boundaries and consuming all in their path, a torrential symphony of chaos that whispered tales of loss and resilience, while revealing the interwoven threads of humanity's interconnected existence. The once tranquil Spanish countryside was engulfed by a torrential symphony of rushing waters, as the devastating floods painted a somber masterpiece of destruction and resilience upon the land. In the land of ancient stories and timeless landscapes, Israel found itself embraced by the unexpected embrace of a flash flood. Like a fleeting heartbeat, the rain cascaded from the heavens, creating a symphony of nature's forces. In an instant, the arid plains and rugged mountains transformed into a living canvas of awe-inspiring power.
Local authority here wanted residents to stay indoor and avoid necessary outdoor activities on the dust storm basis to health risk. They find dust particles can cause respiratory problem and aggravate existing conditions such as asthma and Local authorities have warned residents to avoid driving to stay indoors until the storm subsides. Emergency services have been working tirelessly to clear roads and help those affected by the storm. In the sudden turn of weather, Istanbul, Turkey was hit by a massive hailstorm over the afternoon. The unexpected storm, which lasted for over an hour, caused significant damage to home vehicles and crops in the city. A witness reported hailstorm the size of a golf ball falling the sky, leaving death and cracks in the car window and rooftops. The storm also caused significant flooding in some areas with many streets turning into rivers. The hailstorm caused widespread disruption with many flights and public transport service being delayed and cancelled. Some schools and businesses have also closed for the day. This is not the first time Istanbul has experienced
बस माफ करिए ना मैं अमल कमावा ना मैं फर्ज निभावा पल्ले उन कोई ना जदों सोचा शर्मावा तेरी शान उचेरी ते मैं मिट्टिया दी तेरी सुन